Rooms and resources. We will cover creating locations and adding rooms. I am on the OnceHub homepage and I want to set up rooms and resources for all users on the account. So from the homepage, I click the gear icon to go to the account section, and then I click on locations and rooms. The first thing that I want to do is to connect to my organization's room directory. I click Connect Rooms, and here I can see Office 365 and Google Workspace. We're using Office 365. I click Connect, and I get the prompt to connect. This needs to be done by an administrator. Henry Host is an administrator on Office 365. Okay, my organization's room directory is now connected. You can see that rooms are synced from Henry Host. And now we can add a location. So we click on Add Location, and we can type the address for the location. This is 1234 East Side Avenue. And we can add additional information. We are on the second floor, for example. And next we go to Add Rooms. These rooms are synced from the Office 365 room directory. We can see all the rooms in the directory. Let's select 3 rooms, the green room, the oak room, and the pine room. When these rooms are selected together, their availability is pulled. The availability is pulled together. So any one of these rooms can be booked when they're booked by the guest. Let's click on Apply and Save. And now we can see this is the new location. 1234 East Side Avenue in New York, New York. And we can see the rooms that are selected. This can now be used by all users when they configure their booking calendars.